me. Come get lost with me. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real.
Okay, I know I look really pale right now, but we're gonna change that in a second. First step to this transformation is getting a tan. What I'm gonna use is the Saint Tropez. This is the extra dark tanner, and I also use the glove, and yes, it's been used before, but I recommend before using this, showering and shaving the day before and really exfoliating your skin and letting it rest for like 24 hours before you put this on, so you don't like see any little bumps. And I just got out of the shower right now just to get the day's grease off of me. So yeah, I'm gonna put my hair up and start applying this. This mitten looks so gross. Oh my god. Now I'm just gonna go to sleep, let it sit, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in the morning. And don't worry, it's not gonna look like this. It's the morning right now and I just took off my self-tan. I know I look a little bit pale in my face still. It's because this tan doesn't stick as much on your face, I find. Plus I also washed my face with a cleanser this morning. But anyway, the main thing to this transformation is definitely the makeup. Definitely hiding like all the little imperfections you have on your face. That will for sure change the way you look. My next step is nose contour, and I'm gonna skip through this step because it does take precision and time and I don't want to waste all my battery. But if you guys want a nose contouring video, let me know. I'm not the best at nose contour, but I'm learning and it really does change the look of your entire face. I'll show you a trick after when I come to the highlighting step on how to make your nose look super slim with just using highlighter. But I'm going to do the contour part off of camera because it does take a bit of time. I'm just going to do that and I'll be back. Okay, so what I do for my nose contour, I get two different highlights and I use a really small brush. Look straight in the mirror and you put the tiniest little dot on the tip of your nose. Okay, so my camera died. I finished my eyebrows, and what I used for my eyeshadow is just this color right here. I just patted that on with my finger and blended it. So my camera died again and I finished a few steps. Now I'm just gonna explain to you what I did, and I need to do my hair still. I just put on red eyeshadow, like this burnt eyeshadow all over my eyelids and then on the lower lash line as well. And then I put black around I put black on the waterline and upper waterline. And yeah, and then just put on mascara and fake lashes. And also, fake lashes make the biggest difference in your face. Like,
away with my time. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with my time.
okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. I knew I completed my transformation when my roommate walked out of his room this morning, and he was like, holy shit, your skin looks so dark, and I've never seen you wear clothes like that. So yeah, I guess this is my version of a transformation, since normally I wear form-fitted, like tight-fitted, slutty kind of clothes, I guess. And yeah, I'm all bagged out today, so this is my transformation. There's 3 necklaces. This first one is a diamond necklace that my boyfriend got me for my 20th birthday, and I love it so much. And then this dragon one is, and this one is from a store literally right down the street from my house.
Show you